Hey everybody, it's John Stout at Walnut Ridge and we're doing Feature Friday today. We've chosen our Paradigm. This floor plan happens to be called their 365 rear den. This is very difficult to do in 1 to 2 to 3 minutes because the Paradigm is loaded with so many features. So we'll just kind of touch on some of the high points. This is a 101-inch wide body coach, but this is also Paradigm builds with what they call their benchmark chassis. It's built specifically for every floor plan. But as you can see, you have a ton of storage in here, all underbelly storage. You actually have TV hookups, 110 plug-in. You have full electric awning. You have outside speakers. You have the solid steps. This also has the 6-point level up. Press a button and the coach will actually level itself. Doesn't get any better than that. Let's go inside and we'll go through some things on the inside as well. Neat thing about this floor plan, the rear den, is everybody loves the front living rooms. This has been flip-flopped, which I really like. You've got the big 50-inch flat screen. You've got fireplace. Behind that fireplace is actually a hidden storage area. So what Alliance has done is anywhere they can give you storage, that's what they've done, because we know that's a big deal when we're camping. This has 2 opposing sofas. The neat thing about these both turn into a bed. So if you have the kids, the grandkids, you have plenty of sleeping area. But also mom and dad still have their recliners. And those will recline and they look directly onto the TV. And those are electric. The neat thing about Paradigm is you have 3 air conditioners on here. And they're all separate with their thermostats. But the neat thing is you can run all 3 on 50 amp service. And if you're only able to obtain 30 amp and step it down, you can still run 2 air conditioners. So you'll stay nice and cool in this hot, humid weather we've had lately. As you step down into the kitchen, you'll notice you have solid surface countertops all the way through. Very residential kitchen because you also have a 4-burner range and a big size oven. And what I mean by that, you can actually, what Paradigm wants you to be able to do, you could actually cook Thanksgiving dinner in here. It's that big compared to your standard RV ovens. You'll notice storage all the way through. You have a 30-inch convection microwave. You also have what they call soft close cabinets. That's high-end home stuff there. You also have a nice residential refrigerator. Does come with ice maker. You have the pull-out freezer on the bottom. Does have the freestanding dinette. If you'll notice as we walk through, you have what they call the atrium windows or the big panoramic windows. So you can take in all the sights, and on a gloomy day, it's nice and bright in here. As we walk up to the top here, you have the big shower with seat. You have epoxy counters in the bathroom, and then you'll notice all your storage underneath for your toiletries, your towels, your linens. But here's the cool thing, as we walk up into the bedroom, you have the nice big king bed that raises up for storage. Across from it is a bureau, and then again you have the soft close cabinets. So, and a TV right above it, and then you also have the blackout shades. But look at this huge closet we have up front. It's well lit. You can actually do a washer dryer combination, one on each side. You have a place for your shoes, and this will close off with hardwood doors, so makes it very attractive. I would highly recommend coming out and taking a look at the Alliance, which is Paradigm. We have 4, 5, 6, 7 floor plans and what they make, and we'd love to have you. Thanks again.